Hello, it's Paul here. I'm going to give you as quick as I can a full introduction, a full how-to guide to set up your Discourse forum with discourse.hosting.com, which is now Communiteq. I have two Discourse forums, my own question and answer forum that I run, and my little punk fun pub forum that I also run as well. Both hosted on discourse.hosting.com, which is now communiteq.com. And I'm going to show you how to get it launched in 5 minutes, like it says there, online in 5 minutes. It's the easiest way to run your Discourse hosting. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to worry about backups. You don't need to keep messing and tinkering with stuff. I do it because it saves me time. Yes, it's a more expensive option than one of the other options, but it's going to save you so much time.